In this video, we're going to show you how to use OptiFine with Minecraft Forge. All right, so first you need to have Minecraft Forge downloaded on your PC, and at the same time you need to have OptiFine already installed on your PC. So we have Minecraft here. As you can see, we have OptiFine already downloaded. We have a video, doing this, so I don't need to do that anymore. Just watch that. So as you can see, we have OptiFine here, right? So it is OptiFine 1.20. So you need to download the Minecraft Forge version that coincides with your OptiFine version. So let's just wait for OptiFine for the MinecraftForge.net website to load. There you go. So download recommended or download latest. I would say download recommended. So click installer, and you're gonna wait 5 seconds, of course, for this to start before you can click download. Click skip, and now you are downloading OptiFine. And as you can see, you have OptiFine. Just click on that, right? And you can just click install client, and you're downloading libraries and whatnot. So we just wait for it to finish. As you can see, successfully install client profile version of Minecraft Forge. Click OK. So now you're gonna have this both OptiFine and Minecraft Forge on your Minecraft. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon to see you on the next one.